Many real estate agents might be wondering how they can get their real estate yard signs to stand out from the sea of other real estate signage and attract a potential buyer, seller, or visitor to their open house. A custom real estate sign acts like a business card that tells your target audience your name, contact information, and information on the home. For this reason, Realtor signs are essential to your marketing strategy, and it's important to find ways to make them unique and eye-catching. In this video, we'll go over 7 ideas for making your lawn sign, open house sign, or directional sign stand out from your competitors. Here's what we'll cover in today's video, as well as timestamps so you can forward to the part you're most interested in or watch all the way through. Number 1, consider ditching sign riders. Number 2, unique vanity numbers for each sign. Number 3, use technology to accompany your signs. Number 4, signs with unique shapes. Number 5, feather flags instead of signs. Number 6, lighting up your signs at night. And number 7, emphasize your name and branding. And then finally, we'll cover some frequently asked questions that I get about real estate signs. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before you try out any of these real estate yard sign ideas, be sure to check with the neighborhood's HOA to make sure that nothing on the sign violates their property rules. First up, consider ditching sign riders. Every agent who uses yard signs is undoubtedly familiar with using a sign rider to accompany those signs. And while sign riders do play an important role in updating the status of the home or adding your branding to the sign, they can sometimes be difficult to read from a distance. Depending on the location of your sign, how far it is from the road, and how much traffic is in the area, you may want to just skip the sign riders altogether and use the entire sign space for advertising your event or listing. This allows you to use the entire space and large, bold lettering to reach your audience more effectively. This is an especially good idea if you're trying to attract a large crowd for an open house, for example. You can create several different signs for open houses, just sold homes, and under contract homes and swap them out accordingly. Looking for open house tips? Check out my other video that I'll link above here. Number 2, use unique vanity numbers for each sign. To help you keep track of how effective your signs are, consider using a unique smart number for each sign. This way, whenever a lead calls you, you'll know which sign they got your name and number from. You can use this to shape your marketing strategy and ensure that your signs are located in effective areas that reach the most amount of people. This can also be used to test the effectiveness of different designs on your sign. Third, use technology to accompany your signs. A large part of making sure your real estate yard signs are effective in our more technology-driven society is finding ways to integrate that technology. You can use QR codes on your signs to direct your audience to your website, social media, or a unique landing page with more information about your listing or open house event. Another lesser-known option is to use beacons. These electronic devices automatically send out messages via Bluetooth to anyone passing by with Bluetooth enabled on their devices. This is a great way to get people to your open house. Number 4, use signs with unique shapes. It's fairly easy for the average person driving or walking by your neighborhood to tune out real estate yard signs. The traditional square-shaped signage tends to easily fade into the background. A great way to stand out is to use uniquely shaped signs such as circles or rectangles. In addition to that, flashy detailing that shows your brand or personality, such as a stainless steel custom sign frame, eye-catching graphic, or lighting, can also draw eyes to your real estate yard sign. Traditional methods that attract the eye through movement, such as balloons in your brand's color, can also help your custom-shaped signs stand out. Next on our list, consider using feather flags instead of signs. Where appropriate, consider using feather flags instead of or in addition to your signs. A feather flag is tall enough to easily be seen from a distance combined with natural movement from the wind to draw people's eyes. And given the greater size of a feather flag, you have far more room for bigger, bolder text. Also, you can try lighting up your signs at night. Lighting up your signs at night is more than just an eye-catching detail. It's a practical way to make sure your real estate sign can be seen anytime, day or night. You can find LED solar light stakes on Amazon that you can place on a lawn. I'll link to some in the description below. Otherwise, you can find lights to mount on top of your signposts to light the sign from above. And seventh on our list, be sure to emphasize your name and branding. On all your signs, be sure to emphasize your own name and branding colors, not your brokerage's, though you should be sure to include their name. But overall, the focus should be on you as a real estate professional. This means emphasizing your name and business above your brokerage, as this is the best way to stand out from another real estate agent in your same area. Make sure the text is large and bold. In addition, add other elements of your own personal branding, like your color scheme, logo, and even consider adding your realtor headshot. Now, let's get into some real estate sign frequently asked questions. How much do real estate yard signs cost? The cost of your signs will depend on how many signs you order, what material you choose, the type of frame that you use, and where you decide to get them made. But on average, the cost for 10 aluminum signs range from $60 to $75 on the top 3 online yard sign makers. Keep in mind that this is the cost of the sign itself and not the frame or post to display it. Corrugated plastic yard signs tend to be cheaper but don't last as well in stormy weather compared to aluminum signs. The frame will typically be where the bulk of the expense lies when purchasing real estate yard signs. On average, an A-frame sign can cost between $100 to $250, and a vinyl post sign can cost between $55 to $80. However, this will depend on what material you use. To save money when printing signs, especially as a brand new agent, consider borrowing your frames from fellow agents and then just printing your signs and sign writers. How do I print real estate yard signs? There are various online companies where you can get your signs, including deesign.com, D-E-E, sign.com, buildasign.com, lowendsign.com, and signazon.com. These sites let you choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates that you can customize with your own brand's colors, logo, and images. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew in the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. What do your real estate yard signs look like? Do you have any ideas that didn't make it on the list? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.